I hope y'all can hear me or something. Can't really test it in real time because the delay is insane, because otherwise my PC can't. Okay, so the audio seems fine, that's all good. So hello there guys, thanks for joining this stream that I have. Essentially I'll be making hardware and then software around the YM2149 that I got. I already tested it out, so it isn't anything new. Anyway, this is the boy. And these are the clock generators that I'm using. One of them is 14.31818 megahertz, and the other is 8 megahertz. Gotta find the right chip now. This is a clock divider, or rather a binary counter that acts as one, and a couple breadboards, because I do need a couple to keep them in. And also, holy crap, everything is off-centered. There we go. Wow, my PC can handle freaking preview now. I'ma go get my Arduino Uno. And there's the Chinese clone of an Arduino Uno, and a couple dozen breadboard wires, and that I'll assemble. This is the boring bit, actually assembling all this. So okay. Then I get the Uno out, and if I remember correctly, but from the software, and the day sheet. First of all, 5 volts to. Oh crap! Everything's off-centered. Actually, screw it. I'm flipping everything. This is not. Oh wait, I can't flip it. Yes, this stream is gonna be crappy. The GNG wire. I swapped the black and red because of. Just don't care. Okay, now for part 2 of this stream, trying to launch other programs while doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna disable this. Preview real quick. YM2149 data sheet. Okay, finally it's working. And not really, because I still have to stretch it. Roughly centered. So according to the YM2149 data sheet, which I'm gonna use, this is ground, and this is 5 volts. Then there's the A8 and the 9 channels, which should be connected to A8 should be connected to 5 volts and A9 to not 5 volts. Relay 0, clock reset A9 to ground. Oh wait, is that the opposite? Holy crap, I am bad at streaming. Yep, it's actually the ground. And then wait, I forgot about the camera. There we go, this is a bit better. Okay, then the reset when the low voltage. Reset is the 3rd pin from the bottom, so I connect it to 5 volts. Then, what do we have here? The BC2, which is connected to 5 volts because nobody uses it. Crap. Apologies for the background sounds. SEL near BC2. Okay, then I'm gonna connect the funny pin toggler, or rather the funny clock speed halver divider. Okay, 5 volts connected, interlock channel C not gonna matter. Okay, now the 7 pins. This is where the Arduino IDE comes in, because the entire program is written there. Even though originally the driver that I stole pretty much wasn't supposed to be for it, it works anyway for no reason. Gotta wait until the sucker launches. Also, subproder gamer, sorry, I am rarely looking at the chat screen. File open recent YM2149. Okay, now we actually open the recent YM2149. There we go. I'm kind of surprised I have been streaming for 15 minutes and it still has not crashed. Finally. I can stream in peace or something. Okay, so I'm gonna increase the code size. Close the sketchbook. Does it look good? Barely. Okay, so this is pretty much an example program that I modified without literally any new documentation. I was attempting to do various stuff with the channels, and this is the actual thing that sends the data. Okay, so DDR is port C is F3 and addressing mode. Therefore, the last 2 bits are the data, and these two are connected to BDR and... Oh wait, I need the long bars. Green is connected to the higher bit. And send data. This is a thing I made once that isn't needed anymore. Address mode. And when is it ever called? It's nice. After that's quite an that's quite an achievement after after live Fox extras and clips. Okay, data right. Crap, it uses enums. Okay, there we go. A2 is connected to BC1, and BC1 is higher than the BC2. and it's the green wire. So I'm gonna do this now. And then the other one is connected to B deer, which is right here. Then we have the data pins, which are not that funny, but also kind of funny for no reason. Okay, the red wire is going to DA0, which is right. Yep, this is the 4 pin, and then this, and then the 6 other ones are the 6 from these ones. In the order, in the standard order of 2, 3, 4, and stuff. Turns out I connected the wrong pin at the moment. It's 7. I will be eventually, and and a part of this on this very stream, will be making a software for Arduinos to understand YM and .ym and .vgm files to play. Oh yeah, thanks Jeffrey Power. I forget to preview. Uh, so anyway, yeah, I am gonna play the YMs and VGMs on this chip, and then record oscilloscope views, which is pretty much why I am doing all of this. Okay. Fox the number. And oh crap, I forgot to. Anyway, this is now the connected stuff except for two things. is gonna require me opening up a browser, which means disabling preview and literally everything else, because I fear for mm, my computer. Basically, we're gonna be connecting up these clock generators. Okay, I'm gonna check if I've ever downloaded the documentation. I doubt it though. Nope, I haven't. Great, I'm gonna go through some redacted then. Okay. Ayo, that's pretty nice, Last Rabbit. Welcome, Last. Indeed, welcome. Okay, so the thing I bought, the quad generators have a documentation, and the Texas Instruments clock divider, or that can be misspelled, a rooster divider, also has docs. Okay, so now screen capture. Is it working? It's working. Okay, holy crap, it's lagging. I mean, this is a browser. It's like 110%. So, this clock generator is like this. Yeah, it is pretty meticulous, Jeffrey Power. I think I will be making a PCB with this someday. I don't, I also rarely follow anything that I do, so don't know if I will actually make this. Okay, so this is the first pin. The opposite, according to these docs, is where is it? Is the output. Pin number 5. Yeah, the pins are for some reason named kind of weird. Yeah, a lot of it has documentation. For example, the data sheets for literally everything I bought. And they are Arduino things, of course. I'm certainly glad. Okay, so this is the output, and using the magic of still not being oriented. Oh wait, I forgot to enable the camera again. Okay, so I'm basically configuring this dingus, and this is pin 4. When I flip it over, pin on the bottom is the pin 4. Pin 4 is ground. Okay, so I gotta get the wires, wire, ground, and the last one is plus 5 volts. This is essentially a quad clock generator. This one is 14.31818 megahertz that I bought mostly for the purposes of imitating the NES clock speed and therefore emulating the Sunsoft 5B. or rather, the sound part of it. Okay, this is connected to the 5 volts, this is to the ground, and this. Now I get the other piece of docs. The Texas Instruments SN74HC161 clock divider. Okay, so the clear thing has to pretty much never be activated, and it's also inverted, so this goes into 5 volts. I am surprised 3 people are still watching this. Okay. Yep, I've moved it. Okay, so this is the plus 5 volt, and actually I'll swap this one for an 8 megahertz because I want to. We can already in the state test the YM2149 though. So the Arduino program right here, essentially it sent this data, and I would rather do something like this, and I gotta get my USB wires. And the other thing I have to get is the mixer pot. Actually, screw it, I'm using the Amstrad CPC mixer today. Okay, so 10k and then 1k to the ground. Almost to the fun part. Yeah, we are very close to booting it up. So this is the 1k and this is the 10k. I'm gonna be using unlock channel A right now, which is on pin 4 from the top. And one of the key parts is wherever it is. is the audio jack connector. This one being connected to right here. Both ends, because I'm not mixing anything actually. And then connect this to the ground for 1K. Actually, you know what, I'm using the ground here as well. And connecting the ground. Okay, where's the sound settings? Audio mixer. Input devices. Okay, so this was the sound of the front microphone. Okay, so first of all I should disable just preview. And then connect the Arduino to my PC. I wonder if it... It probably doesn't. I don't know though. Anyway, anyway, Arduino, oh no. Oh crap, of course it got disconnected. The contact with the... Oh yep, there it goes. I can finally upload this. Writing AVR due done. I should really open Audacity. Or something. Where's the funny Audacity thing? Firefox. Other. Free open source and other stuff. Yeah. Of course it can hear nothing. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Of course. Actually, screw it, I'm using my headphones. Oh yeah, it didn't make any sound because I forgot to connect the clock output. Right now, this will be the overclocking of this YM2149. Where's the clock pin? The clock pin is right below the A0. It doesn't work. Oh no. Yes, I gotta use the other thing I have. It's certainly good at producing a DC offset, but nothing more than that. I didn't. Should have burned the chip or something. Because that would have been terrible. I'm gonna check the register dumps the Arduino gives me. Okay, so the address lines aren't responding at all. Okay, no wonder this is one hell of a mess. Clock timer setting. This is. Wait, where the hell is this is grounded because for some stupid reason this is the A9 pin. I thought I connected another. Oh, hello there, Manacle. Dumbot, can it play PT3 files? Not yet. I will and also I quite frankly don't know the PT3 file format quite yet. Okay, so this is the A9. I think it should be connected to 5 volts. Or rather, the A8 is connected to the 5. Wait, what the hell is going on? Nope, A9 is grounded. Okay. A8 and this. And this is a what the hell? This is the cell pin, which does not need to be plugged in right now. Then the BDU. Okay, again, I'm a condom again. Reset. Another clock. Reset. A9, A8. SEL. These suckers should be working. What the hell happened? GA6 and GA7. These suckers are certainly connected. Probably something with the clock rate. I could have yep, I noticed. Anyway, I you all have just witnessed a moment of me being completely stupid and forgetting to connect the second ground line, which, I mean, it affects nothing, which is a bit weird. However, I still forgot to check it and everything. I think I did connect something to it though, besides this cell pin and the pull down. Oh, am I really confused? Of course. Okay, still no signal. Test 1, then DA0, TA1, and then DA2 to DA7 in the correct order. Yes, something very fishy is happening here, and the fishy is not burned. Okay, green is a 3. A 3 is connected to video. The output of this is connected to this. Check the generator. I did connect the right pins to the ground. Holy hell, I'm clumsy. Okay, so this, then the 5 volt, everything else. Okay, attempt, I don't know how freaking much. Nothing. I absolutely despise this. Okay. And if I connect analog channel B, nothing happens. Okay, time to investigate. This is hella messy. It goes to 5 volts. Right here. 5 volts. Connected to 5 volts. This is VSS. It is usually I just use emulation. Plus, usually these boards are just PCBs that are already soldered in place and everything. This is just me messing with wires and everything. And these boards do have kind of bad contact sometimes. Maybe if I swap out this sucker, it may work. After all, it did work on... nope, nothing. And what do the locks provide? Logs provide no good news. However, the address lines are responding now, somewhat. Or wait, is it just set in an active mode now? Okay, it's weird that the right debug sends the wrongest values. Nothing works besides the first three. That's weird. Port C. Oh yeah, that's because it is checking the first 3 bits. Port D, and then connect the Uno. Compile and sketch. Oh crap. Compile and sketch. Okay, finally it got connected. Done compiling. Done uploading. Okay, this is now even more weird. Hmm. Well, first of all, this was weird. Hmm. I absolutely despise this. The moment that nothing works. Plus 5 volts is connected to BC2. BC2 is right between the yellow and the green wires. And it's connected to freaking 5 volts. Out. Okay, maybe it's in the clock signal. Good thing I still left the original Arduino 64 kilohertz on. Weird. The registers respond otherwise 2 to 3. Calculator. 223 is everything except 1 bit. And this bit is in the address space. And yep, it got hella disconnected and I didn't notice. I freaking love breadboards. Okay, attempt I don't know how much. It's writing the 255. So not so this didn't solve the problem. Okay, I really do not like this. Like literally no output whatsoever, seriously. One, two, three, four. Literally nothing is responding. If I do this, it's still not responding. But now it's with the oscillation from a clock. Okay. 0, 1. Oh, come on. And it seems like specifically the one thing that isn't successful is the... Oh wait, I never set it to maximum value. Maybe this contributed to the problem. Nope. The serial monitor still sends the... And then there is absolutely something. And what if I do nothing on the clock speed generator? Still sends out the same thing. Okay, the noise gets more intense, and of course I'm very stupid. This is probably not the tone, this is probably the noise, and since the YM is super overclocked, I hear no tone. Okay, F8. F8. Yep, this seems about right. Except it doesn't. This should just output the tones. Weird. It isn't writing anything anymore. I'm surprised one person is still watching this. Thank you for staying in here. Alright. Where is this is going? Well, okay, so the funny noise gets... Okay, I'm gonna send the lowest period possible on the first channel. What's it gonna do? It's gonna do nothing. So, thank you very much for this, Jeffrey Power. It seems that I'm actually a dumbass, and this chip has been working this entire time. It's just that it's just doing noise, and also it's at the highest frequency. Because right now, actually, script. It's really weird that the output is that weak. Only output clear sound. This is this is 6, which is right here, which is the noise frequency. If I change it and upload it, if I do the biggest frequency, nothing happens. The higher bit is connected to B tier, and I might be a complete idiot or I might not be. I am a complete idiot. I should have tried swapping the bus lines earlier. And now it actually freaking works. Give me a second, I'll connect it back. Okay, so I'm getting the funny audio jack thing out. Connect it to this. And then where's my 10k resistor? Here's my 10k resistor. I hope you heard it. Because I did hear it in headphones, but I don't know if it was heard on the stream. I I did take too long to check that these wires were actually reversed though. But anyway, where's the funny? Okay, so rear microphone plugged in and everything. We now have liftoff. We can. How is the stream not over yet? It's been going for an hour, but alright. Okay, so now we can actually make the freaking software. 6,000 hours later. Okay. YM file format. It's nice. It's been specifically YM, not YAML. YM file format. Okay, somewhere in my history there needs to be. Okay, search in history YM. Okay, this one. Not this one. I despise everything. Okay. Hey, it's 1 hour for troubleshooting because I literally swapped two wires. Oh, and also the thing that you heard, that was the YM being overclocked, because this is 8 megahertz and it officially allows up to 4 megahertz. Anyway, I'm gonna disconnect it for now because I am still kind of fearing. Okay, YM3 to YM6 mix. YM6 format. Okay, there are a bunch of bytes. File ID, check string, numbers of frames in the file. And then there's specific Atari stuff. Then okay, so usually they are all interleaved, and the files that I exported myself are interleaved too. Where the hell are they? Can I open? I can open. It's somewhere around in development. Specifically these ones. Okay, so very interesting. It contains 48 bytes. Okay, so there's the check string, then 4 bytes of what? Numbers of frames in the file, which is, wow, it's a lot. Then 4 more bytes is sound attributes, whatever they are. Number of digit drum samples, YM master clock. Digit drum samples, then the master clock, which is too high. It's at 22 and the offset is actually 22. Interesting. Then the frame player in heads, it's even more, but anyway, this is the wiring file format. Software will not go very smoothly because when coding I also don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I should inform the Discord about this. Hello there, Fenster Scheibe. Essentially, what's happening here is I am overclocking YM and trying to actually send data to it. Anyway, this is a somewhat of a register dump format. Except good luck guessing. What the hell is happening here? Also, they are the same for some reason. Okay, the number of frames is absurd. I wonder if there's even that many bytes. So this is the SSG1, and the ones seem about appropriate. I do sometimes Jeffrey Power, but some other times I also don't. I take like hours to do basic stuff. Depends on the situation. Where's the funny description? Size and bytes of future additional data. Only 0, then the end ID marker. Where is the funny end ID marker? Oh, it's at the very end. Okay. Okay, so this seems about right. Except it also doesn't. Actually, screw it. I'm opening up our Arcos tracker and exporting a non-interleaved file. Okay, so one of these is literally using okay, so export as YM, organized, non-interleaved. song main psg1 export. This is a cover of Fade's or FLDE's song Slowly Going Crazy on the Namco C30. But mine is on the on two YM2149s. Okay, where's the development? Crazy.ym. Okay. Open. Development. Crazy.ym. Okay, this seems about right. Actually, nothing is happening for a while. The main thing is to figure what the offset is. Song main. Okay, what is 3F? 3F is probably the register that sets what is to be output, also known as register 7. This is at B. Wow, that's long. Okay then. Okay, sound comment, which is nothing seemingly. Okay, what else could it be? It can also be this, which is at 51. Then what the, if this is 1, this is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which is a bit weird, because nothing is enabled anyway. Okay, so anyway, where... Okay, so this is very weird now that I think about it. This might be the envelope period. Who knows what the hell is happening here? This might be the envelope period, or no song main. There's the song name, the author name, and the string, and the comment. The song name, then author name, then comment. This can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 13 is D in hexadecimal. Which would be the envelope shape actually. Which makes also makes sense. So essentially, oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna import crazy.ym and somehow get it to read somehow. Include ym, actually no, crazy.ym. no definition found for include. Include binary file. What does this get me? Hmm. This is actually pretty interesting. Program then caused by blob. Program. See you later, Jeffrey Power. And wow, someone else joined. Welcome. Okay. Could be if and Jeff. Define. Okay. Then what I do is create a new tab. Name for your file. Crazy.h. Okay. Copy. And actually no, I'm 0x. I'm gonna write just some arbitrary data. 0x01. Okay. Crazy.h. Okay. Hmm. Okay, interesting. Actually, I'm gonna get more resistors. possibility to make mixing two channels. Oh, and also that's not the schematic set technically. Set connect them to the output and to the ground, but not one after the other. Interesting. Yeah, somewhat close. Although I'm still technically not running YM files. Okay, so crazy.h. Hmm. Actually, screw it. Crazy. For a for I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Send data I and 3. Crazy I U U int 8t. This is better. Okay then, crazy I. Oh wait, it's not connected. Also compilation error, expected initializer before crazy. Okay, maybe you like just this. Wolf, aka constant sum char. Decomposition declaration cannot be declared with this type. This is because it uses freaking char. I despise this. Ah crap, I deleted everything. Decomposition cannot be declared with this too. Okay, how do I C++ index? This is what I expected of. However, I did not do this correctly. Like this. Okay, I think I finally did something. Verify. Okay, it can compile. Okay, so I don't get compilation errors. My USB cables are complete crap though. There we went for a millisecond. There we go. It works. Give me a second, I'll connect it to the front microphone. I hope you enjoyed it. Now we implement the relatively simple thing of expanding the I to 16 and adding a J equals 0. J is less than, actually wait, there's select all, copy as C array. That's actually very useful. Okay, so I'm copying this entire thing. Well, that is a lot. C array. And now great. You can only have 100 characters? Seriously? Oh wait, no. You can have this much. That's great. This divided by 16. J plus plus. Or wait, no, I can just use a define for this. Don't, but I use Linux Mint. Right now I'm using XFCE. Usually I use Cinnamon. However, XFCE may be slightly less bloated. Okay, so frames. J is less than frames. Then I do all of this. Delay delay ms 16 dot. I know 03, now OF. J shifted left by 4 plus I. Let's see that this, oh, great, the size is too large. You must be actually screwing with me. Oh, it's like 100,000 bytes. No surprise there. The YM format is just a register dump after all. Okay, so if I do it like this, this is only 2628 bytes. Copy as C array, char, copy to clipboard. This is way less. Two six two eight. Although this is a completely unremarkable section, J was not. Oh yeah, int J. Crazy was not this array. Data section exceeds space available in board. Global variables use 2139% of dynamic memory. Great. What the hell is happening here? It's probably just put in dynamic memory. Okay, what piece of code were they putting here again? If and def raw data age, define raw data age, and if. Son of a glitch. Okay, I'll include the interesting parts from around here. I'll take exactly 1024 bytes. It has like a lot more. It doesn't have that much actually. It only has 1 kilobyte of memory. Okay. Okay, okay, this is way better. No upload provider, so it compiled successfully. And oh come on, it disconnects constantly. It's certainly writing to something. And no way, it's screwing up the data. Also, it's sending the serial thingies too often. Okay, write debug. Okay, optimized version. Literally nothing. Huh. This is a section that should be something at the very least. Okay. This. Because I suspect the index a lot. Expected semicolon. What the hell happened? So first of all, print a LAN, and second of all, what the hell happened? Okay, yep, it's definitely doing something fishy. U and 16T. Actually, find this. It's still freaky. Probably because it's adding the I way too early. I hate the order of operations. I do it like this. Let's go, it's working. I'll provide the example in a little bit when I when I unbloat this. It's doing it way too often now. Maybe 166. I'm gonna use the default delay function. There's some timing quirks going on. There are definitely timing quirks. What the hell is happening? 16,000. No, this is way too much. 160. Okay. Okay, so that zero print helped for some reason. Okay, I'm a delay by 1 second, or rather 1 millisecond. And if I do it like this, something is definitely happening to it's really using how I'm waiting between register writes. Okay, it's actually working enough to demonstrate. It was pretty much inaudible due to quiet volume. It's pretty much supposed to be this. Give me a second, where's the going crazy? Recording from monitor built-in allow stereo. Okay, I'm gonna change the input source in OBS. Supposed to be way faster. One beep, that was one beep. There was actually a bunch of funny envelope stuff after that, but it seems inaudible. Okay, I'm gonna copy a different chunk of this that does have a pulse wave. Also 1024 bytes. 1024. Copy as array. Copy to clipboard. Crazy. Like this. And if I upload it to the Arduino, I will get no, this is what do you mean the card there? Exactly. Holy. If I remove this delay, I will get weird stuff. Okay, what do we get? Son of a glitch. I forgot this over here. Oh yeah, but isn't spewing out garbage, which is interesting. Okay, I'm gonna disable auto scrolling. It's just everything that is expected. Oh, it just outputted the raw just because of course it did. UNT8T. Yes, my chip does provide that audio. Okay, it is certainly reading not nothing. Actually screwed up putting everything into setup because nothing else is there anyway. Okay, if I do this, Actually, screw it. I am using the other SSG in the song Arcos Tracker. Export as YM, organized by frame. Export the second PSG, crazy.ym. Export successful. Okay. There's my hex editor, there's the hex editor. Open recent crazy YM. This is actually way funnier because it contains noise and stuff. 1024 bytes handpicked from the very beginning. C-array, copy to clipboard. Okay, did it. And now I should really set up the clock divider. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Sons of 5B clock speed for this. Where's the data sheet? Here's the data sheet and the clear is to post, then the clock. To here. One ABC here just not used. Then NP and NT must both be set if I remember correctly. Yup, high to count. Therefore 2 more wires. And oh crap, I should really preview what I'm doing because I'm probably not doing everything correctly. Okay. Well, this has the webs of a video of a crappy electronics video from 2007. Okay, and this is ground. The next thing is ENT, and that's it. What's the load? Oh, it's that thing. That I do not use. And then the clock signal is connected to one of the 4 outputs for various devising abilities. Or other dividing abilities, I can't English. Okay, then the new array down. Here's the funny Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. Did I close it? No, I didn't. Of course it isn't connected. Nothing ever is. It got disconnected in the middle of uploading. Great. Okay, I'm gonna launch the Arduino IDE again. And also, oh wait, I should scale this back. I'm kind of surprised that my GPU can handle this, to be honest. Okay, open recent, YM2149. And it only also opens that on the second try because, yes. Wow, that's laggy. And also super delayed as well. Wow, it's laggy on the other end. So apologies for the technical difficulties. What the hell is happening to you? Great, it's at 364 FPS. I actually despise this so much. Okay, we'll close some unnecessary programs. Like this sucker and this sucker. Also, okay, I still will need this. I won't need this now. Streaming break. Actually, if I disable preview, it skyrockets. Okay, if I try to upload, it fails. No. Okay, it's doing. Okay, it's working. Too slow though. Like way too slow. And if I do it right like this, it's working perfectly. Holy crap. It's working just like in the module. That's actually very perfect. It can't hold much data. However, there's already a simple interpreter for YM files. I think I'll stream again like next week because it's already getting very late where I live. I live in GMT +3. It's already 11 p.m. Yeah, it's very faint because the mixer is also quiet. Anyway, see ya next week, whoever is left on stream. Jeffrey Powell and somebody else.